guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing this Doctor's Kit Little Doctor Medical Station. It's a 2-in-1 little luggage bag, and I'm so excited to open this because my sister will be getting a checkup and I will be the doctor. As you can see, I have all this clothes on, so let's start unboxing. Let's see what's inside. So we have two little stands here. We have an area to put our supplies. In this package, we have some glasses, and we have some tweezers to take out like splinters. We have an injection. Yes, I'm scared of shots still at my age, but we have to get them. And we have 2 pair of scissors. In this package, we have something to check your eyes, like a small mirror or your teeth. We have the ear checker. This is when you hit on your knee to see how hard your bones are. And we can see what temperature you have. So this is 102 Fahrenheit, 100 Fahrenheit, 98.0 Fahrenheit. Let's see if these glasses fit me. Let's take my glasses off. They're not the best size, but at least they kind of work. So let's put them on again. And now we have some boxes here, and we have to actually form them up. Let's build our stand. So you have a few pieces here, and we have to connect them to some areas so we can make our stand. Let's put our stickers on. So here we have one sticker that says Doctors. Around my neck. In my pocket, I'll take my extra pair of glasses, put them right inside my pocket. And also, we will have a thermometer and put it in our next pocket. Now let's do the checkup for Grace. Are you ready for your annual checkup? Okay, so let's check your heart first. Good. Let's check your temperature. You have a 92 Fahrenheit, which is good. Let's check your ears. So let's see this first ear. Okay, your ears are very clean. Check this next ear. Perfect, and I love your earrings. Straighten your leg a tiny bit, like this. Yep, and now let me check. Good. Now let's check this leg. Now, while bending your knees, let's check too. Does it hurt at all? Does it tickle? Okay. Now we're going to check your mouth. Say, ah. It's time for your shot. I know you can be scared, but we'll do it really fast so you don't go through all that frightness. So let's take your shot. It's going to be a small one. So close your eyes. And did that hurt? Yeah. This will help you because your shot might hurt. So we're going to give you some medicine. Open wide up. And close your mouth. Good. So your shot cannot hurt throughout the day. And here, you can take this home if it hurts more. Okay. Is that medicine? Yeah. Good. Let's check your heart one more time. Not you. Good. I know you. What's my temperature? 6. Good. What's next? Medicine? Or are you going to give me shots? Shots. Okay, give me my shots. Shots? Yeah, Mariana. Thank you. Bye. I'll do shots. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. Bye. Oh, another medicine? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I'll give you the 6 for this one. Okay, these two? Yeah, this one. Okay, I'll give them back tomorrow. Bye!
Bye.
Those are tweezers. Tweezers are for getting like wood out or blisters. So if I had a blister with wood, I would just go shoop, and they would come out. That's just my sister. Okay, yeah, right here.
I'm done.
All done?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, give it to...
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to purchase this item, I will leave the link down below. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!